Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to Key2 Blogging, and in today's video I'm going to show you how we can add table of content to your Blogger website. So I already made two videos around table of content for Blogger website, so you can watch it on our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you a different table of content that you can implement in your Blogger website. So let me just show you how it works. So as you can see, we have a table of content here, and if I click on here, it will show the table of content in this format, and I can easily jump to that section. Just click on that and it will take me to that section. So let me click on this heading, and this is this heading. So let's check how we can add this table of content to our Blogger website. And as you can see, this is how it looks in mobile devices, and it will show the table of content like this. So let me select iPhone SE and let me click on the table of content. So it will show always on the top, so user can easily switch between headings and read your content. So let's check how we can add this table of content to our Blogger website. Before that, you need to identify the post ID of the Blogger theme. So let's right click on it and click on inspect, and here you need to go to the top and click on this main section. So let me expand this section here. So as you can see, this is the div class with the ID post dash body. So you need to identify this ID, otherwise this code may not work on your Blogger theme. So to implement this table of content, all I have to do is just go to the Blogger dashboard, click on the theme, and make sure to take a backup of your theme first. Just click on backup so that it will download the XML file. Later you can restore it. So let me click on edit HTML. Now you need to scroll down to the end and you need to paste a script like this. So let me copy this script here. So this is the new table of content script. So let me paste it here. So this will only load in post pages, and if you want to load in every pages, then you can remove this Blogger conditional tag or you can modify it. So you can see it is only displaying in post pages. You can change the styling here. You can change the background color of the table of content, border radius, box shadow, and all these settings are there in this CSS section. And you can also adjust the desktop styling. You can change the width, you can change the box shadow and everything. And here you need to change your ID. So you can see we have the post dash body. So you need to change the ID of your theme. So it may be different on your Blogger theme. So make sure to change the ID of the content. Otherwise it will not detect the heading inside that div class or div ID. So now if I click on save and let me refresh this page. So let me refresh it first. Now let me open any of the blog post. So let me go to the home page and let me click a different post here, and let's click on the table of content, and this is how the table of content looks like. Now the table of content will load in all of your pages, so all of your post pages, and it is very good to have a table of content like this so that user can easily select the table of content. Otherwise you have to scroll to the top section to click the table of content, but this is showing always on the top. And you can also display this table of content to the right side of your theme. So for this you can just make some changes here. Desktop styling, so instead of left we can change it to right, and let's change the right to left, and let me change this left to right, and let's change this right value to left like this. Now let's click on save, and after that this table of content will show up in the right section. So let's wait, let me refresh it, and as you can see now the table of content is showing in the right side. You can also change this color. Let's right click on it, click on inspect, and here you can see TOC toggle button, and this is the background color. So you can change this background color to a different color like this, and then you need to copy the hex code and search for TOC toggle button, and here it is TOC toggle button, and this is the background color. So you can change that background hex code here, and let me save. Now it will show a red color table of content to your website. So you can change this color according to your website branding. So if you still have doubt regarding table of content, then you can ask me in the comment section. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit this like button and subscribe our channel for more videos like this in the future. Thank you.